Invoice entry without purchase order. In this activity, you enter a supplier invoice without reference to a purchase order. Payment is made in local currency or you can pay invoice in foreign currency. So log on to the SAP Theory Launchpad as um, specialist of the supplier invoice, accounting manager, accounting clerk. So open create a supplier invoice, create supplier invoice. The manage supplier invoices view displays. Okay, if you have this pop-up, that means that I've not completed a previous invoice, but I click on, do you want to proceed using the existing data? No. Um, so again, if the data from previous invoice entry exists dialog box display, choose no or yes if you want to complete your latest invoice. So general information. In the basic data section, enter the following data: transaction invoice, invoicing party, your supplier, and company code, your company code, and for example, gross invoice amount, 1,000, 100, 500, then your currency, euro, invoice date, today's date, posting date, today's date, and a reference, any reference that you have. Okay, so let's start together. Transaction invoice is good. Company code KPC1. Okay, I define the price 1,000. The posting date today, even if we have in Saturday. The reference, okay, that's like this, and my invoicing party. I will select review services. Okay, it's good. Continue. Right now, GL account item. In the GL account item section, choose add. So GL account item, choose add. Make the following entries: debit, credit, debit. GL account, for example, 610610000. And the amount, you copy paste the amount that you have defined previously, and item text, any text is not mandatory. So again, GL account, for example, let's choose this one, that is a payroll benefit, but I can choose anyone else for this demo. 1111, and I text, demo, J60, okay, continue, account assignment, first GL account items, then account assignment. In the GL account item, again, choose add, add, choose expand, choose details to expand the selection. Okay, show detail. So cost center, tax country, payment, tax date. So we need to complete all the information. So you have a show detail, all the information. So debit, GL account, okay. Any cost center, which one I can select? Um, yeah, I think I need to complete the first part. This one, real estate, enter. Okay, if you have any, I click on check. So again, sorry, I do not precisely as not have to click add twice. So DB, GL account, show detail, enter the cost center, the tax country region, tax country, and I go to the tax country. Tax data is calculated automatically, so I click on add. A tax code, for example, I defined if I've got VAT, for example, no VAT, or we are fix 6 V0, so no VAT, just to show you. I click on check again. You have the detail, SAP calculates automatically. Then I'm going to payment section. In the payment section, I can change the payment term, but this information is coming from my business partner. So I check right now that everything is okay. Invoice, company, invoice date, posting date, reference, invoice party. I've got the information about the GL account item with debit, GL account, cost center. That means that everything sounds to be good. I can choose post right now. I can simulate to be sure that everything is okay. Okay, for example, you can have this kind of the error message, tax code V0 also exists. So I go back in taxes and I'm able to click on to delete if I already provide this information. So if I go back in the GL account item, okay, and click again on simulate. So if you have the simulation result, that means everything is okay and you can post. Do you want to create a new supplier invoice? No.